How to fix Netflix app update required. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your settings application. Scroll below onto apps, and here search for Netflix. Tap onto your app, and under app info page, scroll below until you see storage. Here tap on clear cache. Now come back, and let's go ahead and open up our Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Netflix. And if you see update just like mine, tap onto update and update your Netflix app. Once done, you have to open it and enter your credentials, and that will fix your app update required problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.